Operation do it yourself. You cannot be left out. Let's learn how to achieve this quick Ankara head wrap gele.
Dead baby, what's up?
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. Yes, so learning time. Focus your eye, auntie. Focus your eye, madam. Focus your eye. You see this material now, what they call Ankara, and you see the way I fold down. You go fold down until you get the right texture, because you know say gele is lighter than ashoke material. So for you to achieve this quick style, just fold it like twice or 3 times. If you want to cover your hair for back, you go fold down like 2 times so that you will get no big scarf to cover the back side. Okay, right now after we fold down, we can start down from the front, and the length of this gele is 80, and we can't divide down one side long past one side, the other short side now be 40, the longer side now be 60. So once you put am for your head, you cross am for back. The shorter side, which is the 40, go up if you cross am for back. The longer one go to the down side. Okay, right now my people, please, so all I need for you, gaze, focus. Now you need, oh my people. Okay, by the time you finish this front, you can't twist am, the stick come front. No twist and go the back side though. If you twist it to the back side, it's like you are losing everything. So make sure you twist and come the front side. If you twist one side, put them for under your arm, then you twist the other side. Right now, you raise the two. My people, if you raise the two, you can't knot them for front. You see the way I take knot them? You see the way I take knot them? You see, huh? So I want to apologize. The way I measure this gele, not be 40-60, it's 50-50. Or no verse. So now 50-50, which mean equal. So you can't tire. If you see and say you get short length, if you tire for the first time, the material when you get for the front not big enough, don't tie it for the second time. But if your material is big enough, tie them twice, like the way I did do and so. You see, okay, right now it's very easy if you focus your eye. See, you can't open the bigger part. Now just the stretcher. See the way I tell you do one. You see, it's very easy and simple. If you dey go church, if you dey go event, you know, say anytime we sew our Ankara dress, so we'll they always they get left over. So the yard of this Ankara is 2.5 yards. You can use 2 yards, you can use 3, you can use any yard where you get 3 or 4 or any one. See, and once you feel achieve this front like this, you need pin. Now pin, I did that my hand for there. You can't use pin, can't take position for the right part where you want. Maybe how you want the flower take there for front. You know, say this time they call a rose. So that you can't use pin, can't take talking put and stand for front of mirror. Now so my people, it's very easy. In case you dey watch me for the first time, I based in United Kingdom, London. I'm available to travel. We are into many in one service. We dey do makeup, I dey do gele, different head wrap style gele. Book me for your event. I'm available to travel. We dey do traditional bridal hair as well. Okuku, you need to represent yourself as the queen. Oh my God, especially for your marriage day, your traditional marriage. If you want, you can still use it for photo shoot. We do photo shoot as well. I get studio for here for London, and good news for the people who they do photo shoot this year, I don't upgrade everything for my studio. Okay, my people, my number is always at the end of all my video if you want to contact me. Okay, my people, I hope una dey focus una eye for wetin dey go on for there. In case you don't like this style, if you enter my YouTube channel, oh my people, I get more than 500 video or more. Any style wey you dey like, wey you dey find, e dey there. Simple one dey, difficult one dey, primary 1, primary 2, all the style dey there. This is the end of this video of this style. So you can now position it to anywhere you like. If you drag and come the middle, if you drag and go the side. My people, see you on my next video. Don't forget to contact me. We dey sell makeup product as well, and we dey sell perfume. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye bye.
Yeah, kitty.
Looking good and looking nice.
Yeah, kitty. Don't miss the opportunity, just call on